Hello and welcome. Today we are formally announcing the launch of this amazing new SUV that has created a buzz of its own since it was unveiled just a couple of weeks ago. Of course, we're talking about the head-turning Tata Punch. It is exactly what any great SUV must look, be and do. The Punch carries forward the authenticity of all Tata Motors SUVs while offering the driving pleasure and agility of a very nifty hatchback. Plus, you can also mark your punch to sync perfectly with your own unique personality and lifestyle. I now request Sailesh to tell us more about Tata Motors' growth in the personal mobility space, its rich legacy of SUVs, and of course, the playful punch.
Hello everyone. Today is indeed a momentous day, and I welcome you to witness the addition of yet another pillar of our exciting and aspirational range of passenger vehicles. Over the last few years, we have seen a rapid increase in the demand and popularity of our cars, and this is because of the love and appreciation from all of you. Since 2017, we are the only brand in India which has shown consistent improvement in our Net Promoter Score. This score is nothing but an outcome of the love our customers have for our cars and the sheer joy and satisfaction that they get from driving it. Our new Forever product range offers our customers a cohesive and contemporary design language. We have established safety as a core pillar to our products. The safety credentials of each of our products are unmatched in their respective segments. Also, we are always focused on delivering real-world driving pleasure with our future-ready powertrains, ensuring supreme drivability. As a result, Tata Motors has emerged as a very strong number 3 player in the passenger vehicle market. Over the last year, our sales growth has been faster than the other players in the industry, and we have been witnessing consistent growth in our market share. Our SUV portfolio has had a large impact on our overall growth in market share. Harrier, Safari and Nexon are consistently leading their respective subsegments, adding many happy, satisfied customers to our growing family. In fact, SUVs as a category has grown phenomenally in India and the world over. The share of SUVs has more than doubled in the last 5 years. Today, they account for more than 40% of the overall Indian passenger vehicle market. There are several reasons why SUV as a category is seeing this consistent growth in India. One of those can be attributed to the rising aspiration of the Indian consumers. They are becoming more experience conscious. Every moment, be it big or small, they want to live it to the fullest. They love spending time with their families, going on weekend drives, staycations, short trips, vacations. Anything that they experience now will be stories to remember later. They don't choose the ordinary. They are high on style, design, and most of all, they put safety first. They are explorers and wish to explore the world in the comfort of their car. They wish to be seen as someone who has the mindset and ability to lead an adventurous lifestyle. SUVs allow customers to project this kind of an aspirational image of their daily life, and as a result is expected to grow even further. Even though the SUV market has evolved till the compact SUV segment, it has hit a hurdle at the 4-meter mark. Customers have no option for a product that offers a true SUV experience which can meet their aspirational lifestyle. They crave for something that truly evokes the pride of ownership of an SUV. And it is now time to end their wait with a product that is compact but loaded with SUV DNA of Tata Motors in terms of design, performance, spaciousness and safety. With Punch, we are introducing a genuine SUV with a compact footprint that strongly carries every element of the SUV DNA of Tata Motors. With ample ground clearance and SUV stance, it offers a commanding view of the road and surroundings, optimal entry and exit angles that adds to its versatile and nimble nature. Built on the Impact Design 2.0 philosophy, the Punch ensures a distinct and enviable road presence. With the powertrain and body dynamics optimized to deliver an exciting and engaging drive, the Punch emits a strong sense of control and assurance. Step inside the Punch and enjoy the spaciousness of the cabin, which is the most important element for a comfortable travel with loved ones over long distances. Safety is the cornerstone of our product development, and the Punch delivers exclusively on that front. The numbers and specifications are there for you to see, but what we want to show to you is a promise to enjoy every drive no matter the real world conditions. Earlier this month, our media and auto experts reviewed the Punch and were ecstatic with its performance. Let's look at what they had to say.
It punches above its weight as far as interior is concerned, especially for the size of car that it is.
Cute and compact.
Very good looking car. It looks the part.
It looks rugged. It will actually go down well with the customers.
Very proportionate, looks smart and appealing. If you see this car on the road, then you will definitely notice it.
So DRLs are really impactful.
One word to describe would be elegant, because I like the kind of patterns that I use, the choice of materials and the different colors.
Traction Pro mode was very nice. I mean, earlier I thought it must be just a gimmick or just a namesake feature, but it was actually working very well in that ice zone. So yeah.
The suspension is very, very good. Especially on bad roads, it performs outstandingly well.
I think it's a capable vehicle. Given that it's a front wheel drive, it still has a good amount of ground clearance. And the suspension also does a good job. It's got good travel.
The 1.2 has decent performance, and I really like the fact that Tata Motors have worked on the low end, because in city usage and for SUVs, typically you need more low end torque.
When I entered the cabin, I forgot how small the car is actually. 5 people can easily sit.
Given the footprint of the car, the space in the cabin is massive.
Inside, the space is magnificent, and that is one thing that you notice before you get into the nitty-gritties of the whole car.
So for a car of this segment to accommodate 3 fully grown men at the rear seat, it is like quite commendable.
Space is good, comfort is good also.
First of all, the Harman sound system is good. I really enjoyed it. The infotainment system is also quite involving.
Unfussy and fairly simple infotainment system, and when I plug in my USB cord into my smartphone, Apple CarPlay starts up instantly.
It's got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Obviously, the screen is pretty responsive. It's really bright, even in bright sunlight that we're in right now.
I love the steering, the way it feels. I like the instrument cluster. The music system is very good.
Punching above its weight.
Knockout. I'll say it is something hatke.
Well, the name says it all, Punch.
It's a punch.
Very spacious and very powerful.
Watch out, you're going to get punched.
Tata Motors has been the pioneer in democratizing safety in India. After having developed India's first 5-star rated GNCAP car, we have even updated our entry cars, the Tiago, the Tigor, and the Tigor EV, to achieve a segment-leading 4-star GNCAP rating. To give us a deeper insight about the safety journey of Tata Motors, I would now invite our Chief Technology Officer, Mr. Petkar.
Thank you, Shailesh. Road accidents continue to be a leading cause of fatalities, disabilities, and hospitalization. Road safety has been the prime agenda for Government of India, and we at Tata Motors are absolutely committed to it. As the responsible automaker of India, Tata Motors has been leading the movement of making safer vehicles with relentless efforts. We have remained ahead in the safety journey while working towards delivering all aspects of safety, namely pedestrian safety, adult occupant and child safety. Way back in 1997, Tata Motors was the first vehicle manufacturer in the country to establish a state-of-the-art crash test facility with simulation and digital capabilities, even when there were no regulations on crash safety. Tata Motors has successfully delivered 2 global NCAP 5-star rated products to Indian customers so far. Our compact SUV Nexon was the first ever JNCAP rated 5-star product, bringing safety at the forefront for consumers. It was followed by the premium hatch Ultras, setting a new benchmark across the Indian industry by being global NCAP 5-star rated car at the launch itself. Our Tiago and Tigor scored JNCAP 4 stars, thereby becoming the only offerings in the segments with class leading safety ratings. I am proud that Punch is rated 5-star by global NCAP, and it is our third product to achieve this distinction. What makes it very creditable is that the Punch has achieved the highest ever adult occupant protection rating of 16.453, making it safest car in India. The Punch is based on our proven alpha architecture. Our extensive early phase studies, state-of-the-art virtual simulations, efficient load path definition, material characterization and supported by sled and crash test ensured that the Punch delivers on highest standards of safety. Some of the important safety aspects of Punch include extensive use of high strength steel, hot stamp body in white structural panels, advanced restraint safety components including anchor pretensioner for driver, crash locking tongue for front occupants, soft vehicle interiors in occupant interaction areas. I am sure Punch will create benchmark for other vehicles in the category with its top safety credentials. Let me invite Shailesh to take us all through the next part of today's event.
The experts have already acknowledged that the Punch has set a new benchmark when it comes to design, comfort and technology. It is indeed a great achievement by our engineering team to deliver not only JNCAP 5 stars, but also score the highest ever ratings for adult occupant safety in India. So without further ado, it's now time to welcome the Punch on the Indian roads.
Of
It's an exciting moment for all of us to present the Tata Punch. We have emphasized that the Punch will be a genuine white space product, one that delivers an exciting and versatile SUV drive at a very attractive price point. It is now time to deliver on the claim. Can we have the prices, please?